All right, let's go ahead and do a quick recap here of Thursday's price action and kind of what happened. So you can see that I do have levels marked here on the chart here for the day and kind of some key support and resistance levels. You can see throughout the day we kind of just played with the top two support levels. Also, our 30-minute candle here is the bottom and here's the top, which kind of plays pretty close to these top support levels as well, or resistance levels. And you can see that the moving averages are also getting up in this area as well. Before they were kind of coming down, price action had run up and then it started to fall a little bit and then it's kind of held sideways or took a breather. And we're watching the moving averages and everything kind of run up here with price action. And we continue to lose this area or fight with this area. And we kind of need some support underneath of it. So before we had the 21, 30, and the 50 coming up underneath here, and you can see that it was trying to carry the support throughout the day. And we started to lose it here near the afternoon. As we got near the end of the session, into the night or after in the evening trading, you can see that it ran up and tested again. And then we came down and back tested it. So now you have a higher high and a higher low, and you have moving averages kind of sitting up above it with two major support areas now. Are we going to start to lose this area and fall down and start testing these lower support areas again, or are we going to bounce and be able to maintain and restructure? That's a great question. We just had a nice run up. We're creating this higher area. A lot of things do need to take a breather. So it wouldn't surprise me if price action did kind of come back down in this area. Obviously, you can see that if we want to hold our upwards structure, we do want to maintain some of these key supports. And if we don't, then we'd start evaluating it from there. I would not be surprised if we did come back down here into the 200 on the 15 minute. So that 110,000 to 109,000 right in there in this area, and bounce up and then restructure. So we'll have to kind of see. Right now, there's a lot going on in price action. So if I went out to the longer time frames, the daily is getting up there, but it hasn't shown that it wants to roll back over and pull down. But that could be a possibility and give us a pullback in structure. When we're coming into Friday and into the weekend, that's always a tougher time to start evaluating. So we better just look at the beginning of the week and like you've seen us do already. Now, this information is always posted on X every day. Once we get it, we go ahead and post it up so that way you could put the key levels on your charts if you wanted and make decisions. So if we get back into the price action today, if I'm just looking at that 15-minute chart, there wasn't a lot of opportunity in here. The moves were very little. If you came from here to here, your moves in themselves was not even 1%. So yeah, it didn't really bounce anywhere. We just came up in the morning and then lost a little bit in the morning, then came up again, tested it, and lost it. So we're just kind of creating this wave in here, and a relief bounce, if you will, and that's about it. So on days like this, I would have took a breather on trading, and the reason why is because of what we just came out of, this constant climb. So I'll scan out a little bit on the chart, and you can see as we came into Tuesday, we just basically just kept going up, and now we're kind of getting this flat through here. So this could be watching it to start to maybe push down and show us reversal or flip back over. Like I've shown you before, we are sitting in some divergence here, and we're just going to watch price action and go from there. So tomorrow we should get a little more confirmation on what is kind of going on and where price action can go. We'll just watch it, see how it trades the night, and keep giving you guys the daily update, and we'll start looking what we can do. That is about it. Short and sweet, kind of a quiet day. So talk to you guys tomorrow, and we'll look at it again for the weekend. Thanks, guys.